Hi, it's Fly Ty and Jacinda with Compare Foods Charlotte. One fun fact about us is that we both own small businesses. Well, how about you? Do you have a small business, or maybe you know somebody who does? Well, in 2021, Compare Foods Charlotte want to support those small businesses.
So here's the first thing. We want to know a little bit more about you and your business. So first, fill out a short questionnaire. We have it on our Instagram page, right in the bio section. Just click that link at Compare Foods CLT.
Because we want to support small businesses right here in the Charlotte metro area
that have maybe 100 employees or less.
Those businesses can benefit from community relations, extra resources, and even mentorship.
Yeah, that and so much more. And let's be honest, we need all the help we can get, right? 2020 was just a tough year for all of us. In North Carolina alone, small businesses represent about 1.6 million people. That's half of our state's workforce, Fly Ty.
Wow, that's a huge number, Jacinda. Well, we want to make 2021 the best year yet. And we want to do that by supporting those businesses that directly impact our community.
Remember, we are all in this together. It's Fly Ty and Jacinda with Compare Foods TV. Let's do that.